Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Ojota. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. On January 26, 2022, the Lagos State government flagged off the construction of the Ojota Opebi link bridge to address the traffic challenges often experienced by commuters and shorten the travel time between Ojota and Ikeja. 6 months down the line, construction works have started on the 3.89-kilometer project. The piling process is expected to last for 3 months, while the bridge will be delivered by June 2023. The total construction period is for 18 months. The Ojota Opebi link bridge will widen the options for commuters to connect other areas of the state. The construction is in 2 phases. The first phase will connect to Odoyalago, while the second phase will connect to Ogudu. This will help to decongest Mobolaji Bank Anthony, which is always congested in the morning, which is also a very good route going to the airport. It will also decongest Kudirat Abiola Way. The construction will give people option to navigate from Ikeja to the highland. This will provide a direct link between Maryland, Ojota and Ikeja and vice versa. It also has 200 passes and 2 U-turn providing access from Ojota to Ikorodu, as well as Opebi bound commuters. This will also provide new connectivity once the project is completed.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it heals, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. So lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real, I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad
Thanks for watching this video up to this extent. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. We'll meet in the next one. Peace.